Is Microsoft SQL Server String Helper pathing failed due to the mswstr10.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we get into the technical process for mswstr10, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the mswstr10, the Microsoft SQL Writing Library, a specialized unmanaged module for high-speed data injection and synchronization. It facilitates the orchestration of SQL data link manifests for enterprise database software. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as mswstr10. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the mswstr10 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace mswstr10.dll with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to mswstr10. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter mswstr10 critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.